art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas stitch Squishmallow. First, let's get started in the middle. For the nose, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right, arching that up in the center. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around, arching that down, and then connecting it on the right-hand side. Let's move up on a diagonal now, and we're going to draw on the hat. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle. In the corner now, we're going to curve this line up and then in. Moving further down now, we're going to curve this line around and then up on a diagonal. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then out. And now starting back on that line, we're going to curve this around and then down. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve a small line that arches around and then in. And now we're going to connect this line as we curve this all the way over and in towards our circle. Let's draw in our eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle. And now moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line around at the top, bringing that down and then in. And then moving over to the left, because it's underneath the hat, we're just going to curve this down and then arching that in at the bottom, ending that at the same height. On the bottom of this now, starting on that side line, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here, on that bottom line again, we're going to continue to curve this around, arching that in, connecting it on that line. And then over on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this up and in towards that circle. Closing off the top of the head on the right-hand side, we're just going to draw a curved line that arches down and then in. For our ear now, on the top, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then moving over towards the left, lining this up at the same height, we're going to curve this up and then over. From here now, on that line on the top, we're going to curve this around, arching that in, ending it at the same distance in the corner. And now moving over towards the left, we're going to again curve this around, arching that in. Let's close off the rest of the body now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and then in towards the middle. And now on the right-hand side, again, we're going to curve this around and then in towards the middle. Let's add in some detail on the ears now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and then in. And then on the left-hand side, starting on the top, we're going to curve this in towards the circle, moving underneath, arching that out. Starting at that corner, we're going to curve this line over and then out. And again, we'll do the same thing on the left. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line over and up towards the top. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve that in towards that circle and then continue to extend this further out. On the bottom now, we're going to start in the corner, curving that over and then down. And again, we'll replicate that on the left. Now from here for the scarf, let's draw a curved line that comes around and then in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on that right-hand side, connecting that in the middle. Moving further over on the right-hand side now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches down. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Moving underneath this now, we're going to draw a curved line, arching this all the way around and then connecting that back up on the side. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line out towards the side of the body. And then over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that all the way over and up. For the mouth now, in the center, we're going to draw a straight line that comes across from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a small curved line, stretching that all the way over towards the right. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving further over to the right, we'll replicate that one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Stitch Squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.